Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more contents and new videos. Thank you.
In a quiet little village, a tiny sparrow dreamed of being brave.
Every day looks big and scary, but I wonder what I can become. They are so strong, I am so small. Can I ever fly like them?
Little one, bravery is not about size. It is about heart. But I am afraid.
Fear means you care. Try once, and your wings will teach you.
I will try. Bismillah. Bismillah. I can do this.
I am flying. I am really flying.
Near the river, a little bird cried for help, its tiny voice trembling with fear. Help me! Do not worry. You are not alone.
You were small, but you were brave.
Bravery comes from trying.
No dream is too big.
Bravery is not about size. It is about believing in yourself.
Hi everyone! If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe.